Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your Deped email, employee ID, and the temporary password sent by HR. Open a modern browser like Edge or Chrome and navigate to the Microsoft sign-in for Deped. Enter your Deped email, then the temporary password. The system prompts a reset. Choose a strong password you can recall. Once done, follow the password reset flow and enroll a phone or authenticator app for two-factor security to protect your account and avoid lockouts. Once you reset your password, go to the My Account portal to finish setup. You update your profile details so colleagues recognize you and set a profile picture for clearer communication. Make sure you accept permissions for Outlook, Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint. These enable email, collaboration, file storage, and shared resources. If you need classroom or school group access, request the correct license or group membership from IT. This grants you the right tools and permissions for daily tasks. You now use Teams for virtual classes and meetings, Outlook for official mail, and OneDrive to save and share lesson files. Sync OneDrive to your PC so changes auto-upload. Organize files into school and personal folders to avoid confusion. Share documents via SharePoint links rather than attachments for version control. If you get locked out, try the self-service password reset, confirm your authenticator settings, and then contact Deped IT with your employee ID for escalation. This usually resolves access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.